Hello everyone, here in this video I'm going to show you that how you can display short description in your product page of the Shopify store. So basically we have a long description, but in the right hand side of the product page we don't want a lot of content. So what exactly we want is that we want the long description should display as a section, and there should be a neat and clean small description on the right hand side, maybe above the add to cart button. So how we can add it, I will just show you step by step. That is quite simple. So you just follow steps and it will be done. So firstly you should see the preview. Right now the situation is something like this. Here we have the title, we have the variants, quantity, add to cart button, buy now button, and then we have the long description, and you can see we have a lot of content here. So what exactly we are going to do here is, maybe we are going to display a short description below the price, or maybe below the buy it now button, and the long description should be over here. I mean, there will be a new section and we will put that long description here. So how we can do that? So just go to the dashboard of the store first, and then after you should create firstly a meta field. Here is the dashboard of the store, and you can see I have installed down theme. If you have any other theme, then still this method will work. So the first step is that you should go to settings and create a meta field. So you should click on custom data, and here we have products, click on it, and then we have to click on add definition, and we are going to add a meta field, which is, for example, summary. So this is a short description. You can name it summary right now, because we have this variable summary. This is actually the key which we will be using, and then you should click on select type, and you should select here rich text. Click on rich text and then click on save. So that's how we have created a summary meta field, and we are going to use that summary meta field in the front end. So for example, we have this product, this one, where we have already the description, long description, you can see, and here we have the product, and you can see we have a long description. So if you are scrolling it down, you will see here we have a summary meta field which we have just now created. So you need to paste the content here. So for example, I am pasting a simple content. Maybe I am writing here I am adding a small description here, and then after I am going to click on save. So that's how we can add a short description to the products. So in other products you should do the similar thing, like you should go to the product and then you should scroll it down, go to meta fields and click on this and paste any kind of text which you are interested to add it here. And then after we are going to display this in the front end. So how we can do that? Let me open this new tab, and here we are going to customize. Click on customize, and then after you should go to the product page. So here you need to click on this drop down, click on products, click on default product, and here we have to add a block. Click on add block, and we need to add a custom liquid, and then after we are going to put here some curly braces, and inside of it we are going to display that short description. So how we can add it? You should add here product dot metafields dot custom dot the name of the meta field, which is summary, which we have just now added. And you will see that if we are moving this just up, I mean below the title, you can see that we have this JSON data coming here, but we are interested to display that description, which is this one. So how we can do that? We can add a pipe symbol, and after that we have to add metafield underscore tag. So once we are adding it, now you can see that we have this small description appearing in the just below the just below this title. So you can save the changes, you can preview here, and here we go. Now you can see that we have a short description coming up just below the title. And now we are interested to get rid of this long description. So what exactly we are going to do? We are going to remove it from here and make a new section and put it just below. So how we can do that? You should go back, and here we are going to put a new section and click on, scroll it down, click on custom liquid, and here we need to add some for example, I am writing curly braces, and inside of it we are going to write product.description. Once you are writing product.description, so automatically that description will appear like this, but this is not looking good. So how we can make it more beautiful? So let me save the changes, and firstly I am also going to hide this description from here. So that is something like this. So I hided that, and once scrolling it down, and then we have this description, which is product.description. Yeah, this one. So I am interested to put it just above the related products. So what exactly we are going to do here is we are going to put it inside of some tags, which are like I'm adding div tag, and I'm adding a class which is page width. Actually the default page width which is given to each single page in our Shopify store, so that width will be given to this description, and you can see that now it is looking more better. All right, so let me save the changes. And if you are interested to make it more beautiful, like putting any other padding or something, so you can also increase the padding by adding the CSS like here. So for example, we have the page width, and inside of it we can maybe add another div tag, and you can put a new class, for example long description, and in the bottom we need to close that tag. So I have closed that tag, so make sure this is also a closing tag. Please, these are the two closing tags at the bottom, /div/div, and these are the opening tag here and here. All right, so make sure you should not do any mistake in that. And then after we are adding some CSS. So for example, I am writing here .long description, and I am making some padding in the top, bottom, and left, right. So how we can do that? We can add, for example, 60 pixel or maybe 40 pixel top, bottom, and 60 pixel from the left, right. So you can see that now you can see that we have a little bit spacing in the left and right and top, bottom. So that's how you can actually make it more beautiful. So if we are seeing the preview, so let me refresh it back, and now you can see that we have the title, we have the short description, and then we have the pricing, variants, and add to cart button, and we have the long description. So if you are interested to move this short description, then you can also do that. For example, I added this, so if you want you can put it below the buy now buttons. So here is it looking, and if you want you can also move it just below the pricing, so the price will be on the top, and then we have short description. So that's how you can actually adjust it according to your choice. And you can also actually make it bold or something like that. So for example, I am making this thing bolder, so you can make it like this. Let me save the changes, and here you refresh it. So that's how you can add the description. So if you have any problem or something, you can ask me, I will definitely help you out in that. So this is quite simple feature which you can add it into your Shopify store, and this will definitely look more better than before, because long description is not looking better on the right hand side because we have less spacing. So you can add the short description, and then you can add long description just below it. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new on this channel, then please subscribe this channel. Also like this video. If you have any doubt or something, you can ask me in the comment section. If you have any new feature to develop, then still you can contact me. I have already given the contact details below in the description. You can follow me on the TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram, and you can also join the WhatsApp group where I am actually posting some more content. So thank you so much once again. See you in the next video.